It's used for writing. It has two different modes. So it has with the pen retracted and with the pen extended, which would be the mode you would write in. It has a grip on it to allow for ease of writing, and a clip on it for if you wanted to put it in your pocket or in your bag or something and hold it still. So we're going to go ahead and disassemble it. So first we're going to go ahead and pull off the tip, get the spring out of the tip, then pull the cartridge out. Next we're going to pull off the top, and then to get this button out of the top we're just going to use the tip of the cartridge, push it out. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and pull the grip off. Okay, so now that the grip's off, we're going to examine the parts. So first we'll start with the grip. The grip's made out of a silicone, rubber material to make it easier to grip. And then everything else is made out of hard plastic except for the clip and the ballpoint. So this is the casing. The casing's made out of hard plastic, like I said. It holds all the different pieces together. And it's also protects this cartridge, which is full of ink, so it doesn't spill ink everywhere if it was damaged or such. Next we'll talk about the tip. The tip goes on the front of the pen and it screws on, and then it has a smaller hole which is the same diameter as the ballpoint to allow for some support on that ballpoint while you're writing when it's extended. Then we'll talk about the spring, which goes in the tip, and the spring pushes the cartridge away from the tip to provide some resistance for this button to allow it for those two different modes. So then the button is made out of two different pieces. The top piece is the piece you actually click, which extends out of the pen, and then the second piece is the inner piece, which is a kind of toggle, and it works with the top of the pen. There's varying notches in here and in here, which when you click it, the notches work together to allow for those two different modes. So we're going to go ahead and put it together. So put the button in, put that there, and then we'll put the grip on the pen. Okay, then we'll put the top on. Next we'll put the cartridge in, then the spring, and then the tip. Ballpoint pen.